Hello everyone. If you find this, okay, this is your sign. Someone want to take a next step in a relationship. Okay, this person is planning a solid commitment. Okay, so yes, they want to confess to you like I want to take the next step in our relationship. Yes, so congratulations. If you are, watching this, then this is your sign. Definitely, the person currently on your mind, they are ready to take the next step in relationship. Okay, so if you are in no contact, then I'm getting no contact situation is going to end. And if you are in on off situation, then I'm getting regular communication. Okay, and commitment. And if you are in a committed relationship, then definitely a marriage I can see for you. So congratulations. Okay, if you want to book your personal reading and remedies with me, you can contact me through my email ID. Okay, manifest your dream 091@gmail.com for your customized remedies, love spell and rituals and subliminal and affirmation. You can contact me. Okay, let's see. I wait for you definitely till the end of my life. Yes, basically this person don't want anyone else except you. Okay, so for this they want to wait for you definitely till the end of their life. Okay, they don't choose anyone else except you. Okay. How you think I forget you? You are always on my mind. I can't forget you. Okay, so this could be some significant dates this person can contact you. Okay, or call you or text you. Or this date could be related to you or this person. Okay, I'm getting 12th, 17th, 19th, 14th, 11th, and 3:23 p.m, 12:40 a.m, 1:20 a.m. Okay, this could be some significant time frame this person call you or text you. Okay, so yes, I want to contact you, but my fear stop me. Okay, so what I'm saying, this person basically wants to contact you. Okay, so yes, definitely, this could be some time frame. This person will try to contact you. Okay, some kind of fear that stop them. Like this person had the fear. Like I'm getting not the fear. This is because of ego, actually. Okay, this person has a male ego kind of energy. I'm getting here. Okay, that's why they don't want to take a stand. Yes. Okay, let's see. Deep down I know that you are the right person. Yes, they know you are the right person. They know like they want to marry you, they want to give you commitment, but something fear, something ego that stop them. Okay, you are so special to me. You are the greatest source of my happiness. Let's see. I feel a magnetic pull towards you. You attract me like crazy. Yes, definitely. This person feel a very, attracted feelings towards you. Okay, they feel a magnetic pull towards you. I'm getting this is a soulmate connection, or mainly for some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Okay, like a push and pull and attraction. I'm getting you both you know some kind of I'm getting like conflicts. Okay, but even though whatever conflicts, whatever situation, you both can't live with each other. Okay, this kind of energy I'm getting, push and pull on a situation. Okay, and ego classes and some kind of also misunderstanding. Okay, third party manipulation is also there. So if you heal that, I can say definitely this you need to work on this ego issue. You can do some mirror exercise because you both are twin flames. So if you heal yourself, your person will automatically heal. Okay, so yes, 8 of Wands, definitely some kind of communication, contact, very fast energy within the next 8 hours or 8 days, or already mentioned some dates here or time. Definitely you are going to get some kind of communication or contact. Oh my God, the sun is here. Okay, so yes, what I'm saying, this is a twin flame connection. This is a this is I'm getting very destined connection. Okay, and the sun and 8 of Wands. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, lots of passion, and definitely this relationship has a future because the sun is the best card of the tarot deck. So yes, congratulations. Oh my God, 4 of Swords. So you need to pray, you need to surrender everything to the divine. Okay, at this point this is a surrender stage I'm getting here. Okay, and with this 4 of Swords I can see meditation, I can see healing. Okay, 8 of Cups. All the blockages you need to let go all the blockages, all the bad experiences, all the trauma. I'm getting some kind of subconscious blockages. Okay, you need to work on that. If you work on that, then definitely you can attract this person. And as you both are soul levelly connected with each other, so if you heal yourself, definitely this person will heal completely. I'm getting the same message again and again. Okay, a new beginning, a stable new beginning. Okay, because pentacles here and the Hierophant. Wow, the marriage. Yes, ultimate marriage, the sun. So the sun and the Hierophant, definitely I can see marriage for you. Okay, marriage is on your destiny. Okay, long-term committed relationship. I'm getting Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Aquarius, Libra energy is very, very strong. And 4, 5, 8, 19, this could be some 1, 18, 15, 14. This could be some significant dates or number for you. Okay, claim this beautiful energy.